Delhi police ban drones, aerial devices for 2 weeks ahead of Independence Day celebrations. The Delhi police has banned the use of drones or other aerial devices in the national capital between August 2 and 16 in view of the preparations for Independence Day celebrations, as per an order by Police Commissioner SBK Singh. According to the order, flying a drone or any unmanned aerial vehicle during this period could attract a jail sentence of up to 1 year and a fine of Rs 5,000. The move came days after Singh officially took charge as the police commissioner at the Delhi Police Headquarters on Ashoka Road. Apart from drones, other devices like paragliders, paramotors, hang gliders, UAVs, unmanned aircraft systems UAS, microlight aircraft, hot air balloons, small Zeist-powered aircraft, quadcopters, and remotely piloted aircraft have also been banned under Section 163 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Singh's first priority after assuming charge as commissioner was to convene a security review meeting on Friday to assess the preparations for Independence Day on August 15, according to the Indian Express. The nearly 2-hour meeting included district deputy commissioners, range joint commissioners, and special commissioners. The meeting emphasized on surveillance measures to be intensified in sensitive areas, increased patrolling and vigilance ahead of the Independence Day celebrations in Delhi, according to an officer, along with security drills and deployment of bomb disposal squads and sniffer dog teams. Swipe left for next video. It has been reported that certain criminal, antisocial elements or terrorists inimical to India may pose a threat to the safety of the general public, dignitaries, and vital installations by the use of sub-conventional aerial platforms over the jurisdiction of the NCT of Delhi on the occasion of Independence Day celebrations 2025 in the national capital of Delhi, and doing so shall be punishable under Section 223 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. The order stated. This year's celebration will mark the 12th consecutive time that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the nation from the Red Fort on Independence Day, making him the third Prime Minister after Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi to achieve this milestone. Latest blogs.